What's going on, YouTube? Just thought I'd take out the Tornado EPX Pro, man. It's my first brushless vehicle. I got this a while back. Still in great shape, still crazy fast. As you can see, I got some Bandito tires on it, on-road tires. And I got the Firefly Q6, all right, for the video. Let's do it, man. All right, let's do it, guys. Oh yeah. Got to say I got it on 3S. Comes with a stock 2S battery. You guys should check out the night run with this thing, man. Put some crazy lights on it. Told you it was fast, guys. Redcat makes a great product, man. Yeah, very affordable. Thing runs awesome. Telling you guys, pick one up, man. Telling you guys. All right. All right, guys, that's a Tornado EPX Pro, man. One of my favorite vehicles, guys. See you guys in the next video. Later.